Today we find ourselves at Slindon 4x4 with the legend John Morgan. Got more experience than you can shake a stick at, isn't that right, John?
Absolutely true.
We are doing the Land Cruiser versus Land Rover video.
3, 2, 1, go!
Jesus Christ, handles. If you're going to crash, go to your side.
I get down to Australia.
You have made some notes. We're going very professional. Have you got glasses to look even more intelligent or not?
Well, I could, but no, I don't want to look too intelligent.
No, you don't want to look too intelligent.
No.
Okay.
You wouldn't understand me.
No, that's true. Yeah, you've got a good point. You've got a very good point. Tug of war.
Yeah.
Fastest down the jungle track.
Yeah.
Hill challenge. Time attack.
Yeah.
And best articulation.
Yeah, that's just before the rollover. Do you want the rollover in that or after it?
Preferably halfway through.
Okay, right.
Okay, so that's where we are. What's your bets on? Land Cruiser?
Yeah.
Or Land Rover? You said it too easy then.
Land Cruiser.
I've got to get one up on my brother.
Yeah, but who's driving that?
My brother.
It'll win.
Can I just puncture his tyre?
Well, you could.
Yeah, but it'll still win.
You could. No, knock it out of diff lock.
No, oh, that's it. That's what we'll see.
We're ready.
We're on our way. 3, 2, 1, go!
There it comes.
Oh. First one done.
The front wheels fully left the ground. Yeah. I don't have a spare engine though. Right, we're ready. Are you ready?
We're ready.
3, 2, 1, go! Hear it coming. Oh.
Come on, baby! I hope you've won that so I don't have to do it again. So it's clear who the winner was on this one. And as you said, Robbie...
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's the vehicle or the lack of mechanical sympathy that won that
the
one.
Talent.
Well, all the talent. Yeah, talent.
Come
yeah.
on, give me some credit. It's got to be the talent. John?
We are waiting for John to start this challenge. He seemed busy giving my brother tips.
We are going down this track, the extreme test track, but it's not that extreme. Like, there are people in America, rock sliders and big 40-inch wheels, big jacked up things. I mean, they're going to just laugh at that.
Yeah.
But for the UK, for what we've got, it's extreme enough, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to be judging articulation. Robbie and I are just having this conversation now. How are we going to judge that?
Judge it, is it?
Well, if you can go along that on tick over,
Yeah.
without having to wiggle the steering wheel,
Yeah.
that's what you want, because you're going to get you're going to get daylight under the tyres.
Okay.
But that track is designed to test vehicles, but you've probably got to get home in it.
And you're going to be the judge?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can be the judge.
Okay, fine. Right.
I'm walking alongside. Yeah.
Surprise, surprise, Harry's nowhere to be seen.
No.
So let's go and track him down and get him in there, shall we?
Yeah, let's put him back on the leash.
But, yeah. I'm a bit nervous about this one because it... Oh. Two stops!
After watching me tackle this challenge, a few extra pointers for Harry were giving. Not as if I was watching.
There's no bloody help here, John.
It's not cheating if it was a factory option, is it?
What are we thinking then, John? We're nearly out the other end. Who's going to win that one?
A lot of use of the clutch on that, I could see it, because you kept stopping. Yeah, I think we need a rerun and get off the clutch, because you were cheating on the clutch.
I would agree.
and you were cheating because you took a better line. You didn't take the worst possible line.
And he says
So
you
you've
were
got a
cheating,
pair of-
so you took the
you've got-
easy line.
You've got a cheating family doing this.
right there, Tom?
I think I've got new pants in the car.
It's got to be the cruiser, I reckon, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
John agrees.
We'll go over to the other one, to just the short articulation test over in the corner, my Tech 1 track.
Okay.
Just do that. It's only 40 feet long.
At this point, I was starting to think that John had a wager on a cruiser winning as the tips were flowing.
If you've got your window down that far, branches don't come in. 2 inches or less, they don't come in. Land Rover told me that. See what I mean?
You boys right in there?
I think my pants look like the car does on the outside.
It looked pretty hairy from here. All you can see is the roof tent. It's like,
It is when you're in there.
yeah.
It looked awesome from the back.
Holy smokes.
All you can see is the roof tent. It's like,
Oh really?
yeah.
Now time for me to receive some top tips. Unsure if they were that helpful, but it was humorous all the same.
Yours won't rear up because you won't make it. Right.
Got it.
So don't get too excited yet. But you could do with a seatbelt in case it goes over backwards.
Uh-oh. Do not turn it over. Try not.
Robbie, we're a little bit stuck. We're going to go to take 2.
Right hand down a bit when you come back.
He's such a he thinks he's going to fix it with accelerator.
Right hand down, that's left hand down. You dyslexic?
Alright. Doesn't know much, Robbie, to be honest with you.
Wouldn't embrace your Clarkson here. I don't think power's going to fix it.
Brutality. It worked. I can see you're a very wealthy man. If you bust it, you don't care. Do you? Little bit of cheating there. You kept a little bit left, didn't you? I saw it.
John, who do you reckon takes the win there?
Well, the thing is, the Land Cruiser's got a big advantage, but this one has got a bigger advantage because the driver don't give a shit.
No, there is that, yeah. So you ready for challenge number 3?
Yeah, ready for it.
Okay. Time trial through what is known as the jungle track.
The thought of starting off with a heavy right foot was at the forefront of my mind. However, my supporting modifications perhaps wouldn't have allowed that to happen, and despite what you have seen, I did want to complete all 5 challenges.
Go! It's going to be close. Disco takes that one, I'm afraid.
That is challenge number
3?
3.
Yeah,
Who's
3.
ahead so far?
I think the disco. Disco of love.
John, you're looking really calm and collected.
Yeah.
Well, give it one that.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah, shit, yeah, I won that. So
Yeah,
timings, professional adjudicator, timings were Disco of Love,
36.9,
and then the Land Cruiser,
41.97.
one in the bag. So that is 2-1
Yeah.
to the bad boy. What have we got next?
Tug of war,
Tug of
I
war.
believe, yeah? Pure power.
So here we have it. Going into the next challenge, my brother was beginning to display his fine character. Less talking, more doing.
Right, we're ready,
Right.
Mr. Robbie. Where are we going to go?
Well, we need somewhere nice and strong, don't we?
That's pretty strong.
Yeah, I think that's going to...
Yeah, that'll be all right.
That'll be all right, yeah.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
That'll be perfect. He's got a decent hook there, hasn't he?
Oh yeah.
That one's all good. Bit short.
Hold on. That'll do ya. So John told us off.
Yeah,
We're not allowed to do tug of war
Already failed.
because he's concerned of our welfare of this snapping and going through one of the screens.
Yeah, fair enough.
Fair enough.
So upgrade the rope.
Upgrade the rope, Robbie.
Upgrade the rope.
And here we have it. A quick glance in the mirror showed Harry taking on board some more instructions from the main man himself.
Yeah, John's giving him tips, and there's me with a. We've just got lots of smoke and lots of poke.
TD5
TD5 power.
Steady, steady, go!
Digging a hole. You trying to get to China?
Right, do you want me to pull you out?
See if you can back.
Yeah.
There's definitely front wheel drive at that point.
I'm just trying to understand if this is a Land Cruiser stuck. I'm not sure.
They weren't though, it's just literally just dug itself a hole, isn't it? I think you're both stuck. Ah, easy peasy.
Ah! Normally one wins, doesn't it?
Tie.
That's a tie.
It's a tie, yeah.
That's a tie. There we are with it. What's the result of this one, Robbie?
Well, I think it's got to be a tie, isn't it?
Why?
Well, no one got anywhere.
But Harry made the biggest hole.
Harry was trying to get down to Australia.
He was trying to send the Land Cruiser home, as
Yeah,
you said.
trying to get it back home to the outback. John's top tips are do not stop and go straight if you go backwards. Go.
Harry's more concerned about his tent.
I would be too.
Yeah, that was close.
Bit more poke, I reckon.
When it fails, John says wiggle the steering.
Way, we got up there. Woo! Yeah, that is top tips, John.
Which you got your money on?
I don't think the Disco's going to make that one.
Why?
It's quite stock suspension, no diff locks like you were saying.
He could be the first person ever to do that on that hill if he goes too mad.
Which you've challenged him to, which probably
Yeah.
wasn't a good
So
start. If you're ready, I think it's time to go. Go on, girl. I mean, you definitely ploughed your way through that.
Well, both front wheels,
That was impressive.
you had perfect front wheels both spinning equally,
Really?
and that's very unusual.
Oh, well, we did it.
It's well maintained.
Oh, but yeah.
Not many people have the opportunity to enjoy days like this. A massive thank you to John and my team for making this happen. On that note, time to catch up with some of the crew over a beer and a cigar.
We're ready for this immense conclusion.
Yeah.
I think the conclusion needs to come from you, actually, Alex. What do we think? Where do we reckon? We're going to about gather the troops. Where's Harry gone? I don't know.
Where is Harry? Anyone seen him?
Oh, there he is.
There he goes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Cheers. Yeah, see you later, Harry. That's the back of Harry.
Sore loser?
So, nah. Yeah, I think we're just going to see the
Nah.
back of his Land
Yeah.
Cruiser. That's it. He's not going to be saying much, is he?
No.
But he did lose.
He did lose.
Yeah.
Poor old
He's
cruiser.
gone home in a bad tempo.
I'll get it in the neck later. Summing it all up, over to you, Alex. What do you think?
Yeah, I think the Land Rover took it.
Were you
You know.
surprised, though,
At some points I was surprised, I think.
on the capabilities?
Capabilities, considering that's on standard suspension, on airbags as well. The Land Cruiser, from the outset, could seem more capable, but you definitely smashed it. You had a bit of a moment with speed and power.
I
think speed and power is what pulled it through.
Yeah, pulled it
Yeah.
through.
Yeah.
And I think, to be fair to Harry, and as much as I wouldn't say that if he was here, obviously, but he was more worried about his truck
Yeah.
because he uses it for what it's designed for, whereas I use that secondary,
Yeah.
so I wasn't so worried about it. And I wanted to get younger brother points. I
Yeah.
wanted to beat him, so that's concludes it from my side.
I mean, as a conclusion, I think the Land Cruiser got through it all a lot easier.
Yeah,
it wasn't pushing too hard with it.
And that's it for this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. It's been great fun for us all today to get out and experience the Land Cruiser versus Land Rover. Give us a like, give us a follow, whack that notification button, and we'll see you on the next video.